Hello, everyone. In today's video, I'll guide you through how to change your email on the Robinhood app. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the Robinhood app installed on your device. If you don't, download it from the Play Store for Android or the App Store for iPhone. After that, log into your account. If you're new, create an account first, but if you already have one, proceed to sign in. Once you open the app, enter your PIN code if prompted. If this is your first time, you may not see this step, but you'll likely need to set one up during future logins. Now that you're on the main screen, ensure your account is verified and has funds added. Verification and funding are necessary to unlock the app's full features. To update your email address, follow these steps. 1. Tap on your account icon at the bottom right of the screen. 2. Select Settings from the menu. 3. In the Settings section, locate and tap on Account Information. 4. Choose the option for email address. Then follow the on-screen instructions to update it. And that's it. You've successfully changed your email on the Robinhood app. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.